Huwag itaas, mas maganda ibaba.
Pwede lang talaga.
Mas maganda ibaba para matusta yung balat.
Wala na, sumasayad na yung kanin.
Ayong,
Ayun talaga yung
ay, kumawala.
Pimaso.
Gumanyan siya.
Di ba niyan tinali?
Ah, hindi pala. Akala ko nakaganyan yung kanila.
Wala, ganun din yan. Eh, mahirap din natin yun. Try nyo, pati kasi.
Ha?
Yung paalam.
Pwede mo yung paspasan dito?
Hindi lang yun.
Sa may ulo?
Pag pinali mo yan, hindi na yan missionary. Ngayon na missionary yan. Missionary?
Yeah, you mean position?
Yes.
A girl like this, guy like this.
What?
Missionary.
What is it?
Missionary. Girl on the bed and guy up front like this.
Ah, Mario.
What?
Cookie, you don't know the missionary position?
No, because I'm young enough. I'm still young.
Your baby?
Innocence.
Your baby?
Not baby, I'm young. Innocence.
Innocent.
Yes.
Innocent.
Both of you, Mr. Puras and you know already. But for me,
everything but innocent. He was never innocent. For us,
yeah,
it's
but for
always
me, I am very innocent, still young.
Very good lechon.
Maganda yun doon banda. Paspasan doon banda dahil makapal yung sa balikat din, makapal yun. Yun ang matagal maluto. Oo. Dulot-dulo dito tsaka doon sa gitna, manipis na sa gitna. Kasi yung balikat niyan, hilaw pa yung balikat niyan.
Pwede din kayo. Philippine all the time.
Boski, ipatihaya mo ra kunti kahit madalawang minuto. Tihaya.
Kaya
Tihaya. Yan. Kasi makapal yun dito banda. Oh, map. Diyan mo malalaman pag hilaw yung sauce niya, it's still red.
throw the paint. The paint.
So guys, yan, inikot na natin, no? At malapit na maluto. Yan. Oh, standby muna, Polski, standby muna. Doon, balik, doon banda. Dito, side. Sige. Yan. Hop, para. Kala ko si Polski. Stop. No, not yet. Okay. Okay, go turn.
Linis mo na ako. Balik na ako dito.
Para pantay.
Tama yung tapos. Friend request.
Hindi mo na sa taas, ako kasi ako daw. Bigas lang yan.
Wala man nasabi doon.
Kailangan mo rin kami sa dito.
Saan daw?
So, saan man?
Wala man nasabi kung saan.
Jim!
Chief,
Sino ang pwede name about the officer?
the reception, where we will put this no, where officers. Because
Ano sabi niya?
nobody told me where's the reception, the party deck or where.
But somebody said, how it's in party deck? No, because I was thinking it's cold. Better to stay inside. No? It's not
No,
better.
it's too late now. We don't have guys now to prepare.
But we go inside, yeah?
Yeah, because I was thinking, officers, so okay, officers. So,
Officers.
the arrangement was someplace outside and only here, but I was not thinking.
So in officers.
No, in the officers. In the officers with people, yeah?
Officers lang daw. Ha?
It's 11. You answer.
Ano mo ba tayo sa kalagay
Boss, you need some guys to send them?
No, may